Come on. Go on outside now. I'll shut that. Good, Bandicoot.
Yeah, again, I think tomorrow will be
Hi guys.
the different strategies between myself, but also when Mercedes and
Hello.
so I think will be a very good fight.
The top three on the grid are separated
Elvis.
by just 0.2 of a second, and the man lining up third is Kimi Räikkönen. He's Ferrari's lead driver this weekend because he's out-qualified Sebastian Vettel for the fifth time. Are we seeing something of a Ferrari resurgence this weekend?
No, I think the car is going to...
You want me to go and get some food?
Obviously, under the hot conditions, it will make it very difficult for everybody. And if the racing are more close, it's hard to say. But, we often see in the past it was very hot when the tires are very edge. We quite strong. It's been many times. Last few races we've been a bit
Hi,
off,
peewee.
and then some races we were very close, and it's been a bit up and down. So it's very hard to pinpoint why is that. But we'd rather be in this position.
Daniel Ricciardo is a competitive beast. We all know that. And he's no doubt disappointed to be lining up fifth. But he needs to bear two things
Guess
in
I'll
mind.
go and get you some
One,
food.
Red Bull had the best long-run pace of anybody on, during Friday afternoon practice, so that bodes well for the race. And there's another thing. He lined up fifth when he won this race back in 2014, so can history...